case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1954, the United States Court of Claims heard a case involving a corporation seeking to recover overpaid income taxes for 1944 and 1945. The dispute centered on the undepreciated cost or fair market value of a bridge, Strawberry Bridge, the corporation had built as part of its railway franchise agreement with the city of Philadelphia. When the city demanded extensive repairs to the bridge due to decreased customer usage, the corporation handed over ownership of the bridge in exchange for a 10-year extension of its railway franchise, but they failed to account for the bridge's cost in their claims. The Commissioner of Internal Revenue denied the corporation's claims for a loss, leading to the lawsuit. The court ultimately ruled that the corporation could not include the undepreciated cost of the bridge as the franchise's cost. Both the original and extended franchise's basis were reduced by the depreciation amount. The court deemed the 1934 exchange taxable, with the fair market value used for determining depreciation and loss, and suspended the judgment until the commissioner filed a report on the extended franchise's value.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.